Picked up this 400 pack of magnets. Let me go through and show you. All different sizes. And I have a magnetic plate here, so I can just stick it to it. Also has a magnifying glass and light, so that's nice too. But you can see there's a whole bunch of different kinds. Okay, just move that out of the way. These work good for 3D prints. They come in this little case. However, I like this better. I made some fidget spinners, like I have this. And there's magnets inside. So then do that. There's a whole bunch of different things you can get. I actually just created this. Well, I printed this. This is for tools, and you can stick it there. So we can put some magnets in here. I don't know which size they are, so I'm kind of testing. Thing with using the magnets, you got to be careful because they're magnetic. So you put the first one in, it's fine, but then the next one may pull out the other one. Because of that, we'll just do two different sides. And there we go. Now we'll give that time to dry, and then we'll hit it again with more. So I want to pull these out right away. I want to give this time to dry. But these are the magnets. Like I said, very magnetic, work well, pretty strong as you can hear. Even just using just one. So yeah, definitely do recommend them if you're looking for magnets for your next project.